Welcome again. In previous tutorial, we have seen auth component, and I have just missed one thing, that is how to hide this logout link from here. So when we log out and log out state, then we should not see this logout link in here. So in this tutorial, I will see you how to hide this logout. So when we implemented auth component, and in users controller we actually set our users data in here. So we actually able to use this users information in our controller in anywhere. For example, when we log in, I'm giving the username in here and the password. And if you go, this is actually users index page, so we are actually in here. And if you just go here and debug and use the this auth and then user method, and then I'm giving here the exit. So if you go and reload your page, you will see the user information in here. That means you now able to grab any user information from any controller. So for example, I'm here want to grab the username. So now save, go here and reload our page. We are seeing the username. So let's hide this two line, comment this two line, and then copy this line and go in view. That means we will go in uh, users index view. So I'm going in here, and this is my uh, where is the template, and this is the index.php. So now if you go and using the same thing in here, so this auth username, I actually want to print my username in here. So save, if you reload, then you actually not able to see the username in view. So we have to send the username for this view. So how we can do this? We have to use the user. That means uh, there is a method called set. This set method we will use for our in app controller. So we know the app controller is the parent controller. So I want to grab my username from anywhere uh, in my application. So I'm just going to set this in here, or you can set it in your before filter or before render method. I'm just uh, setting it in here. There is no problem. So I'm just setting this set, and same thing. I'm giving the username, my variable name, and here I am sending this auth username, this username parameter that I'm sending from here. So now if you just copy this username and now you print this here, so now save and go. Now you are able to grab your username from view. So what I can do for hide this logout uh, logout option or logout link from here. So I have to go in our layout, that means in our uh, default layout, and here we have created this logout link. So I'm going just give a simple PHP tag and give a if condition in here. If this username, then this button will be appear. So here I'm going finish my end if tag. So after save, if you go and delete your page now, here we are not seeing our logout link in here, but if you go give your username and password, then say submit, Then now you are seeing your logout option in here. So next, click again, it's hidden. It's hidden. So this is actually today's tutorial. In next tutorial, you will see authentication plugin. If you have more question about this auth component, for example, you want to use username to here you want to use the email, not username. Then how you can set this? I have mentioned a video under this video description. I have already given a tutorial on auth component, and that is actually for CakePHP version 3. But both are the same scenario, both are the same code that you have to implement for you for use here use email. So I already given this tutorial under this video description. If you want to use the email in here, email and password, then please follow the below tutorial. So welcome to the next tutorial. Thank you.